Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your audio language on your movie. So first, you pick the movie you want, and then you can just press continue or watch.
Kill whoever they can.
And then when this show up, you can press audio and subtitle, and then you can just scroll down and then see the options. You cannot, so the movie only like give a list of option of the language they have, and then subtitle as well, but you can scroll down to check which subtitle you want, and then once you're done, just press the X and then it will automatically change. So I hope this video is useful and thank you for watching.